If you've been struggling to grow your small forex account and feel like the market keep humbling you, this is the video you need to watch. I'm going to show you the exact step I took from my mindset to my risk management to my strategy. So stay tuned. What's up, welcome? It's your boy FX. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I moved $200 to $2,000 in one trade. I'm going to be explaining 5 main things. Number one, the strategy I used, then the risk management for growing small account. The third one is how I stay disciplined in the market while trading this account. Number four is my lessons and my mistakes. The last one is tips to help you grow your own account from a little amount to a large amount. The strategy I use is a very simple but very effective strategy. I use it to trade GBP JPY and GBP USD because that's the only two currency pairs I trade. If you look at this now, this $200 to $2,000, I only traded US oil, just one trade, got my $200 to $2,000. So it's working very effective for me. It's working very well for me. I've been using it for some couple of months. I think it's going to work for you too. I have this feeling it's going to work for you. So if you want to know more about my strategy, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And you can also go and check out my old videos I made concerning my strategy. I explain the outreach method. I also explain the breakout and retest, everything concerning my strategy I used to trade US oil and GBP JPY. But this strategy works across various pairs, but mostly GBP pairs. If that is Great Britain pound pairs. So if you want to trade it, make sure you're trading Great Britain pound. The second one is the risk management. Talking about risk management with flipping accounts. Risk management cannot be in the same sentence as flipping account, but I still took calculated risks anyways. If you look at this now, I first started with smaller lot sizes. Not open all the position at once. That's working smart. And even when I opened all the position at once, the chances of me losing the account would have been much. I knew the exact time to add more trades. I knew the exact time to stack more trades on this account. This account was actually an investor account, so I got my own capital from it. I got my own share from it. I'm also going to open my own account and be trading it from $200 to $2,000. I'm going to document everything on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss it. I was also conscious of the news events going on. I was also conscious of the markets retest and everything. But when the market was retesting, I wasn't really afraid because I trust my strategy 100%. I trust it very well that it's not going to take me out in losses. Even as it was there, I still broke even so that if the market wants to pull back, it's going to hit my stop loss. I'm not going to lose all the money. But successfully, I was able to trade it from $200 to $2,000. Talking about risk to reward, my risk to reward is mostly 1:3 risk to reward. Any trade that is not up to 1:3 risk to reward, I don't take it. I only go for high probability trades. That's another tip for you. Good forex traders only go for high probability trades. They don't go for little trades. You get my normal take profit is also 1:3 risk reward. I only target 1:3 risk reward. But looking at this trade now, I did not wait for it to give me that 1:3 risk reward because the profit I had was already enough. It was what I was looking for. So I had to close out. I did not want to stay long in the market to avoid any losses. But hopefully it still hits my take profit, as you can see in the picture. It hit my take profit, but it's still a good thing that I closed early. It's not bad to close early. All I'm going to explain is how I stay disciplined in the market. Discipline is very important when you're trading and when you want to flip accounts. You have to be very disciplined. Despite the retest, despite the market hesitation, you still have to stay disciplined. Don't think of opening new position when it's not your time. You know your strategy, you know when to open new position. If you open new position that's not recommended, you might blow the account. So when you're flipping an account, the first thing you're supposed to put in check is your discipline and your mindset. Another thing I want to tell you that you should not rejoice until you close the trade. Because if you have not closed the trade, the money is not yours. So you have to wait until you close the trade before you think of rejoicing. And don't let your win get to your head, and don't let your losses get to your heart. That's the advice I'm going to give you in this. The fourth thing on our list is the lessons I learned from this particular trade. This particular trade has taught me that anything is possible in the forex market once you have dedicated your time into learning forex. Once you have spent your time on the chart, you know what's going to happen on the chart. You should go for it. You should trust your analysis. You should trust yourself, but do not be overconfident. Once you trust yourself, you trust your analysis, then you go for it. You take your trade. Then the other lessons I took was that I would have not entered all these trade at once. Like I would have been entering, instead I should enter with higher lot sizes instead of entering multiple trade that is going to be hard for me to handle. changing the take profits, changing the stop loss, all those things. So I would have entered fewer positions with bigger lot sizes. So that's the last thing I want to explain is tips to help you grow your own Forex account from a little amount to a big amount. I want to first tell that everything is possible as long as you know what you're doing. So the first thing is to master a strategy. As you can see, I've given you a very good strategy just for you to go back and master it. Then choose one or two pairs you're supposed to be trading as a newbie, even as a pro trader. You don't need much pairs. So the last tip I'm going to tell you is for you to just stay consistent and stay disciplined in the market. Anything is possible once you know what you're doing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.